the Melamdovich's home, was a hub of Yiddish literature, Yiddish culture, and if authors would be coming through to do something in Chicago, officially speak or something, they would have a Kabbalas Punim in our house. Everyone. So Sutzkever was coming through, and my parents told me that they would have me recite the Yingl von Ayzn to him, the author, the poet. And it was kind of a scary thing for me. I was 13 or 14. I had done the poem. I knew I had done it well. But here was the poet himself in the flesh. And probably around the apartment could not handle more than 40 people. It was that big. But there were 40 people in the place. Sutzkever was the big name. He was on his way actually to Israel. He eventually settled there. And I was a very short kid. I mean, I never grew very, very tall. But when I did grow, it wasn't until I was 18 and 19. So at the age of 13, I was one of the shorter kids around. So they put me on a chair so that I could be above the audience. Sutzkever sitting on the couch directly in front of me. And I recited the Yingl von Ayzn. And literally, he had tears in his eyes. He got up. I was standing on this chair. He embraced me and whispered to me, "Es ist ein Emisse Geschehnis," that it was a real happening. So I'll recite it to you. It was he wrote this. You know that Sutzkever was a partisan in the Wilno ghetto, and so he wrote this in Wilno after the war. An uns gebrennter schwarzer Mogendovid auf sein Stern, die Haar wie Koltens Kroppeve, die Augen Eis in Frühling, und ausgestarzte gelle Rippen unter Lecher Schmattes spannt a Yingl, trockt sich mit dem Königsberger Schlag, ungelehnt und zu Gewatten stecken. Breite Werbes toppeln sich in Wasser, Kornblümlach locken durch die Sangen, und der Yingl, ungelehnt und stecken, eilt vor uns. Wie nicht vor ihm das Wachsers. Bloß von Zeit zu Zeit tut dem Kopf a Wurf hinter, wie a Vogel forschendig, wie weit ist noch der Sturm. Ihm docht sich noch, men jockt. Sag mir, Kind, wohin ist dein Geheil? Sie wart auf dir a Stub, a Tatemame? Bleibt er stehen, vergliedert auf a Weil, wie's wollt die Welt verstellt a Lukei Chame. That's a eclipse. Hab keinem nicht. Men sagt, in Wilne ist a Schul verrannen. Geh ich dort. Ist noch weit von dannen? Stell mir sich beide auf a Berg und ich weiß immer, wohin zu spannen. Häupt runter gar die Welt in Taube und lässt sich eilig kehr noch gehen durch Stock und Stein. Schrei ich ihm von Weitem, Yingl, Yingl, und du allein von wannen bist, von Wannen zinden sich wie zunter seine Knätschen. Die Augen nehmen Schmelzen bläue Gold und von dem Lippenwinkel tut a Schmeichel sich beweisen. Von wannen bin ich, ha? Ich bin von Ayzn. You know, I haven't recited it in Yiddish in years because I translated it, as I said, and in recent years, the last 10, I've been asked to read that, but I read my translated English version, which I know much better now than the Yiddish. It was a little difficult for me. But that was the poem that Sutzkever, and when I recited it at that age, I was better than I am now, and he told me that it was a true story.